Here again. Let's do a little more proof. SSI and Medicaid both proof. We could do it both in the same window. Okay, see up in the top corner here? Follow my cursor here. Are you with me? Up in the top corner there, John J. McKeag. There you go. And I submitted an application May 5th. May 4th was a birthday, so and 2 days later they made a decision. Benefits are $1,014. They used to be $337, and they used to take out $202. Right? This is what they did for $134. Right? This is what they're still gonna do. My bad. This is what they're still gonna do. This isn't gonna change, right? So. This isn't going to change. This is what's happening with Social Security, but they're adding an SSI payment. See here, $677. So this is going to continue on May 13th. This isn't going to change. This is the same. Okay, but what we have here is, I'm sorry, this is going to change. The $202 isn't going to be taken out anymore. Okay. And I'll show you down here. They show that happening. Okay, so this is going to remain the same, but it's going to be $337. They're going to add the SSI payment $677. Okay, and that's where that comes $1,014 up here. That's where that comes from. Those two together, and then Medicare enrollment details. So you're enrolled. Okay, it costs this much. See your coverage for May 26th. Your monthly premium is zero. Right? It's going to be zero. See, because Medicaid state program. This is a federal program, Medicare, but the Medicaid is going to pay this premium at $202.90 now, because I was successful signing up with Medicaid, and what happens is, in Florida, it happens different in different states, but in Florida, if they approve SSI, you automatically get Medicaid, which is Florida's state health insurance. Automatically, you get it automatically. You don't apply. You only apply for SSI, and boom, you get Medicaid. And then I get a letter in the mail. Hey, you got it. So I went and looked in, and it's all approved in 2 days. The guy was like, he said, it'll be 30 days, maybe something like that. And I looked up online, and they're like 3 to 5 months for SSI at age 65. They did it in 2 days. It's like, that was very good. Anyway, so it's a payment on May 13th. That's still going to happen, and that just did happen, on May 13th, as they said. This is May 15th. I'm making this video. And so the next payment, boom, is going to be this, $337. Before deductions, but no deductions. See, these deductions aren't happening anymore. You follow? Okay, so it's just going to be $337 as $677. That's what it's going to be as combining to 1,014. So that's a difference of 1,014 minus 134 every month. That's not even, how would that change your life? Let's see what that is. Every month, you're going to get a payment from the government. You're not going to be paying taxes, none of that stuff. Instead, they pay you. It's good. Using a trust is intelligent. Trusting in God is really what it is. It's a Christian solution. So 1,014 minus 134 equals $880. 8 times 8. There you go. $880. Can you use, I don't know what your Social Security situation is, but if it's zero, are you getting zero? Are you getting a small piddling amount like my person got 337? Well, bump it and remove Medicare payments and get Medicaid. basically get everything the government has. I get EBT for the person too. You get everything. You get everything from them. Qualify. It's not illegal. It's 100% legal. This is legal. I'm showing you the proof. 15 years I'm showing the proof. Everyone's like, I don't know. I don't know if I like money. I don't like not having money. Well, I like having money because I'm an accountant. That's the difference. I don't like money. Hey, listen, I am the whole money being enslaved to whoever the trustees of the In God We Trust are. Like whoever, we don't even get to know who we're enslaved to, you know? We don't even know. Who are those trustees? I don't know. But they stole all the land. They make us spend for it. They stole all the oil. We have to buy it. We stole all the gold. They're still mining this stuff in America. We're not the Americans that own anything here. We're the slaves that pay for everything here. So any legal method to take money back from the government that they stole from us, they stole everything. I'm talking about just getting what you can. You know what I'm saying? This also has so many other benefits, makes you judgment proof, and there's so many other benefits. This is just a straight cash thing, monthly payment, full health insurance, no payment, no deductible when you go to the doctor. You don't pay for any health insurance, anything. They got acupuncture, they got massage, they got chiropractor, free dental. Yeah. Yeah, Medicaid and Medicare, and the maximum minimum for Social Security payments. Anyone else have proof like this that they're doing this legally? Put it in public, and all the other benefits I tell everyone about. Like, why don't people live like this? It's incredible to me. Are you really that rich? It's so inexpensive to get these courses. You get paid back in literally months, and then you get paid the rest of your life. Everyone in every country is successful at these methods. This method right here is only for Americans, but every American can do exactly what I'm saying right now. Okay. I look forward to you not paying the government and you paying yourself more like I do. It's super fun. I'm an accountant. This is legal. Everything I do is legal. 15 years. This is all my copyrighted information. Right? It's copyrighted. This is a Christian method that's copyrighted. You can only get it from me. Why? Because I made it affordable and I don't want you to mess up in any way. I only care that you don't pay the government money and you keep everything for your family. I don't want you to mess it up. I mean, you get me too. We have a forum. We have an online, closed private forum only for students. It's so great. 15 years of information in there. And you can have your questions in there too, whatever, your thoughts, your proof, anything. Hundreds of testimonials. All right, get on board and have the government pay you. It's so much more fun.